Tennessee follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula for wage garnishment. Tennessee is a relatively straightforward garnishment state with standard federal limits and accessible procedure. The Tennessee garnishment limit, the lesser of 25% of disposable earnings per pay period, or the amount by which disposable earnings exceed 30 times the federal minimum wage. Tennessee does not impose a state cap more restrictive than the federal formula. Tennessee's minimum wage is set at the federal rate. Disposable earnings in Tennessee: gross wages minus legally required deductions, federal income taxes, Social Security, Medicare. Tennessee has no state income tax on wages. The Hall income tax, which taxed investment income only, was repealed. No state income tax deduction means disposable earnings are higher per dollar of gross wages. Tennessee's no income tax status means that disposable earnings in Tennessee are higher than in states with income taxes, making the 25% formula more productive per dollar of gross wages. Tennessee garnishment procedure. After obtaining a judgment, the creditor obtains a writ of execution from the court. The writ is served on the employer. The employer must answer and begin withholding within the required period. Tennessee allows continuing garnishments. Tennessee head of household. Tennessee does not have a specific head of household wage exemption beyond the standard federal formula. The federal limits apply to all wage earners. Tennessee's enforcement environment: the minimal $5,000 homestead exemption and federal standard wage garnishment, amplified by the no income tax, higher disposable earnings, make Tennessee a productive enforcement state for creditors. Tenancy by the entirety provides some shelter for jointly held property, but wage income is directly accessible. Exempt income: Social Security, unemployment, workers' compensation, disability benefits, and retirement income are generally exempt from garnishment in Tennessee. People Locator. Skip tracing provides Tennessee employer identification for wage garnishment within 24 hours or less. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.